Y'all, we need to talk about this one because I already know the internet is about to explode. Karmelo Anthony, the 19-year-old currently serving 35 years for the death of Austin Metcalf, has officially been denied a new trial. But here's my question. After everything that came out this week, how do you just move on like none of it matters? We learned there was an off-the-record gentleman's agreement between attorneys to keep certain information about both young men away from the jury. We learned information existed about Austin Metcalf's past that the jury never heard. We also learned damaging allegations and information about Karmelo that the jury never heard. And Karmelo's former attorney testified about circumstances surrounding why Karmelo ultimately did not take the witness stand and tell the jury his side of the story himself. Now, understand something. A motion for a new trial is not asking a judge to declare Karmelo innocent. It is asking, was this trial conducted fairly enough that we can trust the verdict? Those are two completely different questions. And remember, the original trial judge, Judge John Roach, was recused from the post-trial proceedings after questions were raised about his impartiality following public comments he made after the conviction. So now we've had a judge removed from the post-trial process, private agreements between attorneys, evidence kept away from the jury, questions surrounding Karmelo's decision not to testify, courtroom restrictions that the defense challenged, and after all of that, no new trial. Now, before somebody twists my words, Austin Metcalf lost his life. That is devastating. His family deserves compassion, and nothing about questioning the legal process takes away from their loss. But our justice system cannot operate on emotion. If someone is going to lose 35 years of their freedom, the process has to be beyond reproach. And this is where I think the conversation needs to happen. Because some people are going to say, a jury already heard the case. He was convicted. Leave it alone. Others are going to say, with this many questions surrounding the original trial, why not let another jury hear all the admissible evidence and decide? And now, Karmelo's fight isn't necessarily over. The next battlefield is the appeals court. So Texas may have closed one door today, but this case is far from finished. I want to hear from you. Do you believe Karmelo Anthony deserved a new trial? Or do you believe the judge made the right decision by allowing the original conviction to stand? And here's the bigger question. If you don't trust the process, can you truly trust the verdict? Drop your opinion in the comments. Keep it respectful, because this conversation is bigger than Karmelo Anthony. This is about what we expect from an American justice system when somebody's freedom and another family's loss are both on the line. Like, share, follow. because we are definitely following what happens next.